Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Online Marketing 101 with Matt. Today we have another brand new software that we want to educate you about. The link to that software is just below this video. Click on it and even get even more information about the upcoming products. And mind you, um, there's some nice bonuses that I have created for you. So the link is very important. When you click it, you'll see them all. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more information about upcoming products. So let us watch the video and I will see you in a few minutes.
Talking Books Commercial is an innovative product designed to help businesses create engaging audio content for various marketing purposes. This unique solution allows users to transform written materials into conversational audio formats, making it easier to communicate with customers. The service is particularly useful for promoting products or services, enhancing customer engagement, and improving brand visibility. With Talking Books Commercial, companies can produce high-quality audio that captures the essence of their message while appealing to a wider audience. The platform offers customizable features, enabling users to tailor the audio experience to fit their specific needs. This product not only saves time but also ensures that essential information is presented in an accessible and entertaining way. By incorporating Talking Books Commercial into their marketing strategies, businesses can differentiate themselves in a competitive landscape. This audio content solution is an excellent investment for companies looking to enhance their communication and drive customer interaction effectively.
If you liked the video that you just watched concerning the product that is going to be launched, um, before we go, I just wanted to mention that the link is below the video in case if you want to buy it. And please feel free to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you will get more information about human products. All right. So have a wonderful day and all the best in growing your business. Take care. Bye for now.